Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel and I'm your co-learner and today's topic is Gothic novel. Gothic fiction or Gothic novel is a late 18th century and early 19th century literary genre that used to cover a story that had mysteries, horrors, secrets, hereditary curses and some special settings suited to that storylines. Special settings in that sense that authors of Gothic fiction often used haunted castles, dark passages, hidden panels and the settings like these. So these story settings were very much inspired by the medieval architectures, and actually medieval architectural style was called as Gothic, and from there the term Gothic came. And here one more thing I have to mention, that the term Gothic is also a derivation from the term Goths. Here you know that Goths were the people belonging to a Germanic race. Now we have to focus on the time when Gothic literature came into existence. So it is in the late 18th century, meaning just before Romanticism came into existence. Here we can easily trace out the drastic change in the style, theme, setting, plot and the characters of the Gothic fiction from the early or middle 17th century literary writings. In these Gothic fictions, we have supernatural elements, romantic love affairs, sense of mysteries, elements that are really away from logics, reasons, away from the sophisticated intellectual world described and presented by many writers of 18th century. So thus, in Gothic fiction, we can see a glance of upcoming romantic movement. So now we have understood Gothic fiction to some extent. Now I will mention most important writers and their most important writings. Horace Walpole was the first to write a Gothic novel, and that novel was Castle of Otranto, written in 1764. In this novel we find all typical features that a Gothic fiction may have. Sometimes by the critics it is compared with the Hamlet, cause here also we find a haunted ghost who is waiting to watch the end of the ancestry of his killer. I have discussed this novel in the separate video. You can have a link of it in the description box and can check it out. So after Walpole came Anne Radcliffe, and her most important novel is Mysteries of Udolpho, written in 1794. The story of it is set in France and Italy in the late 16th century. These novels have 4 volumes relating the story of the character Emily. Now comes Matthew Gregory Lewis, and his most important novel is The Monk. Next important writer is Mary Shelley, wife of P.B. Shelley. She with her husband went to Diodati, Lord Byron's castle, and there they had their friend circle, and all of them took the challenge of writing the best Gothic novel, and from that challenge two most important Gothic novel came out. One is obviously the Frankenstein and another one is John William Polidori's novel The Vampire. The Vampire was published in 1816 and Frankenstein was published in 1818. With the subtitle The Modern Prometheus. Okay, so our next important writer is William Beckford, and his important novel is Vathek, written in 1786. It was actually written in French and then translated into English by Samuel Henley. Here an important piece of information is that Lord Byron in his writing Childe Harold's Pilgrimage mentioned Beckford. So after that, next important writer is Miss Clara Reeve, and she wrote Old English Baron. Then comes Bram Stoker, another important writer, who is known for his novel Dracula, where Count Dracula is trying to move from Transylvania to England to find fresh blood, but a group of people fought against him to save the lives. Now the last writer to discuss is Charles Robert Maturin, who is considered as the last of the Goths, and whose novel Melmoth the Wanderer is considered as the last of the classic English Gothic romances. So here I have discussed the important writers and their works. Novels like Frankenstein, The Monk, The Vampire are important to discuss separately. So if you want to check out, the links are given in the description box. And as you have watched my video till the end, here's a bonus information for you. So as a bonus information, I'm going to give you information about a essay, and the name of the essay is What is Gothic? It is a name of an essay written by David Punter, and in this essay he talks about 3 significant archetypes that are used in Gothic fiction. Okay, that's it for today, and if you feel that my videos are a little bit helpful for your English literature journey, then definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button beside so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So keep growing and keep learning.